If you want to create lists in PowerPoint 2013, whether that means a simple bulleted list or a clean numbered list, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps so you can format your slides faster, make your content easier to read, and give your presentations a much more professional look. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips and software tutorials. Let's start with the basics. If you already have a text area on your slide, you can use that. But if you need to add your own text box first, go up to the Insert tab at the top of PowerPoint. From there, click Text Box. Now move your mouse onto the slide, click where you want the text to go, and type your content. This gives you a flexible way to place your list exactly where you want it. Now that you have your text ready, let's turn it into a bulleted list. First, select the text you want to format. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the words, or by using your cursor to highlight the section. Once your text is selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Paragraph section, you'll see the Bullets button, usually shown as a small dot list icon. Click that button and PowerPoint will instantly convert your lines into bullets. This is where the Enter key becomes really useful. After your first bullet point, just press Enter on your keyboard and PowerPoint will automatically create the next bullet for you. That makes it really easy to keep adding points without having to format each one separately. You can continue typing your ideas one by one, and every new line will stay in the same bullet style. Bulleted lists are especially useful when you want to show ideas, features, notes, or short pieces of information without implying an order. They help keep your slide clean, simple, and easy for your audience to follow. If your slide feels too crowded, a bulleted list can break up the information and make it much more readable. Now let's move on to numbered lists. Numbered lists work best when your content has a sequence, a process, or steps that need to be followed in order. To create one, first select the text you want to change, just like before. Then go back to the Home tab and look for the numbering button, which usually shows 1, 2, 3 in a list format. Click it, and your text will automatically become a numbered list. Just like with bullets, you can press Enter after each point, and PowerPoint will automatically continue the numbering for you. This is perfect for step-by-step instructions, rankings, or timelines. It makes your presentation feel organized and helps your audience understand the order of information immediately. If you want to switch between bulleted and numbered lists, you can simply highlight the text again and click the other option from the Home tab. PowerPoint 2013 makes this process quick and easy, so you can format your slide based on the type of content you're presenting. A good tip is to keep your list items short and clear. Try not to overload each bullet or number with too much text. The simpler your list, the easier it is for people to read while you speak. That's one of the best ways to make your PowerPoint slides more effective. So to recap, if you need to create a list in PowerPoint 2013, first insert a text box if necessary, then select your text, go to the Home tab, and use bullets for a bulleted list or numbering for a numbered list. Press Enter to continue each new item, and you're done. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more PowerPoint tutorials, beginner guides, and easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.